Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to continue chapter Stars and Solar System. Yesterday you had studied about the moon. You have read that the first person who landed on the moon was Neil Armstrong, followed by Edwin Aldrin. And there is no atmosphere, no water on the surface of the moon, due to which there is extreme temperature. During the noon time, the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, and at night the temperature is minus 173 degrees Celsius. So it is extreme temperature due to lack of atmosphere. Today you will read, children, about the solar system. You are familiar with the solar system. All of you know the solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets. These planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Some other minor planets are also there in the solar system, like asteroids, comets. These are also revolving around the sun. All of you should know, children, that the source of the energy in the solar system is the sun. And all the planets revolve around the sun because there is gravitational pull between the sun and the planet. Due to gravitational pull, the planets are revolving around the sun. Now, you should know about the sun. The sun is a star because it is made up of gases and it has its own light. It is a luminous object. The solar system is dominated by the sun. All the planets receive the energy from the sun. The earth also receives the energy from the sun in the form of heat and light. The disc-like structure of the sun is called photosphere, and the temperature of this photosphere is 6000 Kelvin. So, you have seen about the sun. The diameter of the radius of the sun is about 100 times the radius of the earth, and the mass of the sun is about million times more than the mass of the earth. Now you will see about the special feature of the planets. All of you should know, children, planets are derived from Greek word which means wanderer. They are the bright objects in the sky, but they do not have their own light. They reflect the light of the sun. They are disc-like structure, and there are 8 planets. Earlier Pluto was also a planet, but now it is not in the list of planet. So, you should know that the planets are of 2 types, terrestrial planet and Jovian planet. The planets which have rocky surface are terrestrial planets, and they are nearer to the sun and they are smaller in size, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are terrestrial planets. Jovian planets are mainly made of gases, and they are larger in size and they are farther from the sun, like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are Jovian planets. Children, now you should know about the special feature of each planet. Like first one is Mercury. It is nearest to the sun, and it is also called morning or evening star because it is seen just before the sunrise and just after the sunset. Next is Venus. The hottest planet is Venus, although Mercury is nearest to the Sun. Why it is hottest? Due to presence of high percentage of carbon dioxide. Children, you have read carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which traps the heat of the sun. So due to greenhouse effect, you have read greenhouse effect in detail earlier, so I am not going to describe it in detail. Due to greenhouse effect, the Venus is the hottest planet. Now next planet is Earth. Earth is a planet which is third nearest planet from the Sun. The Earth has two types of motion, rotation and revolution. The Earth rotates about its axis in 24 hours, that causes occurrence of day and night. And the Earth revolves around the Sun, and it takes 365 days and 1/4 hours. So it causes occurrence of change of season. Due to rotation and revolution of the earth, there is occurrence of day and night, and there is change of season. Now you should know, children, the earth is a unique planet because life can sustain only on this planet. Why life can sustain only on this planet? Because the earth is at right distance from the sun, so the temperature of the earth is suitable for the survival of living organism. Second thing, there is presence of water on this planet earth. And next thing is presence of atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The layer of air is called atmosphere. In the air there is oxygen, which is essential for the survival of living organism. So due to presence of atmosphere and due to presence of that protective layer is present in the atmosphere, that is called ozone layer. Ozone layer is present in the stratosphere, and it protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. So due to all these reasons, once again I am telling you, children, due to presence of atmosphere and that ozone layer, and since the earth is at right distance from the sun, so temperature is also suitable, and due to presence of water, the life can sustain only on this planet earth. So earth is called a unique planet. Next planet is Mars. Mars is also known as red planet because it appears red due to presence of iron oxide, and it has two natural satellites, Deimos and Phobos. Next planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet, and it has. Okay, thank you, children.